Hello again guys, this is a quick video on how to add reviews to Wix website. First, open your Wix website editor and then click this add elements. Then choose list and then you have different options here, repeaters, over repeaters and blank repeaters. We'll choose repeaters and from the repeaters option there are list of repeaters here. We will choose this one and then drag this to where we will put our reviews. We just drag and reposition the reviews or review element down below. Okay, here we will put it here and then resize if you want to resize your reviews. Afterwards, you can click the reviews here by clicking each text and then choose edit text. Okay, that's it guys on how to add reviews in your Wix website. Keep following this channel for more video tips. Thank you.